All right, sorry about that, guys. Takes a while to fire all these things up. Okay, so we were talking about analysis paralysis and just too much thinking in your trading. So that comes from not, sometimes I see that from traders not really being able to identify the trend. So they look at one moving average, it's rising. They look at another one that's descending. It creates kind of a sloppy confusion. But let's just do a recap on Dragon here. So when we're day trading, right, guys, it's just a matter of, I mean, one, you're going to have the mental picture in your head from yesterday. So we had a good call yesterday saying, okay, as soon as this started to break here and we created this wall that we wanted to short as the cycle was rolling over the next rally. So you can lean a little bit short. That way you don't miss it if it collapses, which is what happened. And then there was a small little dead cat bounce in here you probably could have added on the 1 minute and 5 minute cycle. And then we had a BCI at the bands, could have added below there. And then you had a nice drop. So that was a good call yesterday. And then knowing that this took place, you should be thinking any kind of retrace back up that wall would be a great place to start thinking about reshorting. So that happened here in London. And so we missed this move. Okay. But look at the bands, guys, right? So first part of analysis, look at the trend and the cycle. So the trend, here we are in the 30 minute. The bands crossed here. And then the wave formation's all this way. Again, now these are areas, so we don't want to be saying, oh, well, it's above the bands, it's bullish. No. These are areas. The trend is this way. The bands are going this way. When they start to roll over, that's showing you a different direction, but everything's flowing this way, right? So that's just the visual that the bands are giving you, but the TMS is what actually defines the trend. And so it's a good place to start trades around the bands here on the 30 minute. Okay, and then when you look at the cycle was high there. The cycle was not high here when we started this trade, but that's just one time frame. So when you go to the 15 minute, we have a better picture. So here you can see yesterday's call, right? Shallow bounce, fade it, failed right into the 8, and then boom, BCI right there, boom. All right, but you have the pie line here, you have the 200 here, all makes for a nice spot to start shorting. Now, as we identify the trend here on the 15 minute, we have to be aware that, okay, I had a higher low here relative to here. I was making lower highs here, and then, oh, on this move, this is a new higher high. And then what came next? A higher low. So that's why I said I wanted to short here, but it was actually contrarian to the trend, which was going this way at the time. So you can do that because I have 50% retrace of yesterday's move up here. I have the 200, I have pi, I have this topping tail. Lots of reasons to sell. but we also weren't going to be aggressive here because the trend was going this way. And then I said I didn't like this higher low. I wish that that wasn't there. Guys, give me 1 second. All right. Sorry, I got to say goodbye to my daughters. On this this high or low, I said, you know, that would be better if this wasn't there because that could maybe be sending this trend this way. But the key is just to be aware of it. So the cycle was high. You have all this, what I just explained up here. So you go ahead and go short some and see what happens. Right? And then the 15-minute cycle took over, and then later you have the 30-minute rollover also. So this was basically all 30-minute cycle down. 15-minute rolled first, and then this is all 30-minute. And then, of course, there's some opportunities to kind of trade it around on the 1 minute even more so, which some of you are getting really good at. You know, Andrew pretty much is all over the 1 minute. And so, you know, here's the TMS on the 1 minute, guys. That breaks, right? If you're short anywhere in here, you cover into these new lows, which we did. You get a rally back, short some more, cover into new lows. We reshorted here, we covered here. I mean, this is just good trading. Andrew sold more there, covered on new lows. I mean, that's just high level, pretty much nailing every move, guys, this morning. And when you start the trade, you're maybe a little bit unsure because it's contrary and the trend's going the other way. That's okay. Sell some, and then maybe when you get the break, you can get more aggressive, or cover here and then get more aggressive here. Once you have the 1 minute, see how the bands rolled over right here and everything started to flow this way? So that's a better spot to be aggressive when you got that rolling over. Pretty good, guys. I don't think I'm going to go over the euro. What am I trying to do here? So did you guys all make money this morning? Anyone that took Dragon, you did well, right? Other than that, we didn't really do any day trades, just selling euro, reshorting some euro pound and euro dollar, but that's on a swing trade, longer term basis. Right, Andrew? Good job. Rio, you took that short, right? So another good, consistent week, guys. It's good stuff. For those of you that maybe are new to us, we have a trading team. We trade together every day, and we're starting a prop program. It's just basically the same thing, but traders are going to be with me and then have a chance to prove themselves over 60, 90 days and then get funded with more capital. And anyways, we have a real-time alerts product that comes with being on our trading team. So that's how I did today. I didn't really put that much size on, but these are all our same calls in real time. Short, cover, short, everything I just described. But we trade a little bit of everything. I mean, we're trading cryptocurrencies now. We were reshorting euro pound. Had a nice week there. Covered some tens this morning. I've been short 10-year. So if any of you are interested in that, change my screen up. The best way, guys, to get involved with us is go to jenkinsrm.com. Usually I have this window up, kind of slow today. Any of you guys using Brave? It's a new browser. It's great. I love it. It blocks the ads, way more secure. It's faster. But jenkinsrm.com. Chat room, it's really easy to get involved in our community. It's free. It takes 2 seconds to pop in there. This is going to be changing to our prop program. You can still get the training. You could still trade with us live if you don't want to be part of the prop program. You're going to have to self-direct your trades, though, to my introducing broker to be in the live room for that. That makes it worth our while. But some options training. This is about our crypto team. If you're interested in that, a lot of interest in the digital space. That's all I have to say about that. But, all right, guys, good week. Is everybody? I'm probably pretty much done for the day. I'm gonna be taking some new positions on some of these altcoins that are getting hit this morning. So I'm gonna finish up that. I'll post in the room if I make any other moves. Are you guys pretty much good? All right, Camille. All right, John. Good to see you back in here. All right, Andrew. Good job. All right, guys. Another good, consistent week. I know some of you have some more questions about the prop program. You're probably thinking stuff over the weekend, so you can message me or be in touch with Ritas as well. But my goal is to start getting some of you guys going there next week. It's gonna be we're gonna have to kind of walk before we run there. I mean, getting everybody set up in the back office and moving money and all that stuff. We'll get it going. So, all right, guys, have a great weekend. Be safe. Have fun. Replenish. Go over your trades for the week too. I always tell you that at the end of the week, it's a great time to just look back at your week, how you did, what you need to do better, write it down, and then on Sunday it's fresh. You can remember how you did, and then you can work on it starting Sunday night, Monday. And you guys send me your trades too if you want. All right, guys, good stuff. Have a great weekend. I'll chat with you in the chat.